Today, we are going to practice such asanas which will help you in reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. This is for anyone and everyone who just wants to process whatever they are feeling today and hopefully move the energy so it's flowing in a way that serves. Hello viewers, Namaste, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Sajo. We will start with butterfly pose and its variation. Inhale and slowly bring your legs close to your body. Exhale and in a relaxed state slowly bend forward. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your mind relaxed. Just concentrate on your breath. Inhale and come back. Now slowly slide your hands between the legs and again exhale and bend forward. This will help you in reducing your stress. This will help you in boosting your energy. Inhale and slowly come back. For the next pose, inhale and bend your knees. Place your hands relaxed. Now exhale and slowly bend both the knees towards the left side. Then right side. Keep your breathing normal. Keep your eyes closed and feel the process which you are going through. You are stretching your legs, lower back at the same time. Now bring your legs back to the previous position and relax your body. Next we will practice PAWANMUKTASAN. Inhale and bend your knees. Bring your thighs close to your stomach. Hold your legs with your hands. Keep your toes pointed and slowly close your eyes. Concentrate on your breath. Feel the pressure on your stomach, lower abdomen. Now slowly bring your hands down and now straighten your legs from the knees. We'll go into DWIPAD UTTANPADASAN. Now stretch your toes inwards, then upwards. Feel the stretch. Now stretch your leg one by one. Keep your eyes closed. Now rotate your ankles from left to right and then from right to left. Now exhale and slowly bring your legs down and relax a little. Next we are performing Happy Baby Pose. Inhale and bend your knees, bring your legs close to your body. Bring your thighs close to your stomach and stretch your leg upwards. Now hold your feet with the help of your hands and slowly close your eyes. Now we'll do a movement from left to right, relaxing our body, concentrating on our breath. As the name of this asana itself is Happy Baby Pose, this actually relaxes your mind and makes you feel happy. Now exhale and slowly bring your hands down. Slowly touch your feet on the floor. For the next posture, keep your knees bent. Inhale and bring your hands in the shoulder level. Exhale and now bend your leg towards the right side and stretch your neck towards the left side. Keep your eyes closed. You can feel the stretch on your back, lower back. Inhale and come back. Exhale and now bend your knees towards the left side. Stretch your neck towards the right side. This totally relaxes your body. Inhale and come back. Exhale and bring your hands back to the previous position. Now join your knees. Bring your thighs close to your stomach. Hold your knees with your hands. And now rotate your legs from left to right. Close your eyes. We'll give a little massage to our lower back. Now rotate your legs from the opposite side. This will reduce the stress, anxiety, and the feeling of depression. This will calm your mind. Now slowly bring your hands down. Place your feet on the floor and straighten your legs. Now we will perform most relaxing posture, Shavasana. Take distance in your legs. Keep your heels inward and your toes outward. Take a little distance in your hands, palm facing upwards, and slide your neck towards the left or right and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now slowly release Shavasana and come back in a sitting position. Sitting in Padmasana, here we will chant Om. Inhale. So viewers, we'll meet in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.